Welcome, all of you. So, today's topic is about ancillary medicinal products. So there is a two kind of medical products or medical devices. One medical devices which are not providing any medicinal substances to the body, but another group of medical devices which incorporating or which is providing medicinal substance to the body. So, if any medical devices is associated with medicinal substances, then it's called ancillary medicinal products or ancillary medical products or ancillary medical devices. In that way, we can use this terminology. So, for example, if so that's requires a different regulation. We'll talk about the regulation later. The first we understand what kind of ancillary medicinal products or medicinal devices. So here, suppose there is insulin pump. There are various insulin pump in the market. So what is the utilization of the insulin pump? Insulin pump delivering medicinal products to the body. So any kind of medical devices which is helping or which helping in what? Which helping in delivering of drugs to the body or medicinal product to the body. Any medical device which facilitate drug delivery or delivery, medicinal substance delivery to the body are the those so which comes under those medical devices. So these medical devices also called as ancillary. So here what happened, the medical devices sold separately but they are not including the drug itself. You need to buy drugs separately, or maybe the drug is provided separately by the same medical device manufacturers. It may possible, but it's not guaranteed. So those medical product also comes under this category medicinal. They have completely different regulations. Okay. Now let's talk about the substance itself or drug itself, which is comes under some kind of container that require different regulation. For example, the insulin cartridge. So insulin cartridge, there is insulin which is a drug itself, and those insulins is sealed with the some kind of cartridge, and you need to purchase that cartridge separately. So that cartridge also considered as a medical device. But this medical device, then these are the ancillary products, okay, which is not going to act individually. They have to be function with the help of some another medical devices. So you need to purchase a medical device insulin pump. Now insulin pump helping the insulin to get delivered inside the body. Now there is a third category. Now third category is that when the medical device itself inherently or embedded with some medicinal substances, like medical device inherently or embedded with some medicinal substances, then those medical device having the completely different regulations. And how we understand these categories, suppose if we separate the medical device and whatever the substances they embedded inside it, if we separate out that substances, and when these substances is delivered to the any body or to any human, are they going to make any kind of physiological effect to them and any kind of medical effect to them? If your answer is yes, then those medical devices are the ancillary products, which having the embedded medicinal product for ancillary medical products. For example, the catheters with the antibacterial properties. Suppose catheters is embedded with the same kind of substance which having these antibacterial properties, okay, then definitely these comes under the third category. So all these categories, so these ancillary products we can define are those ancillary products are which are the kind of you can say understand like which going to function with the presence or with the help of some another medical devices, then those are the ancillary but they must have some medicinal or medical effect to that patient, then it's considered the ancillary medicinal products. So this is all about, and this is why the regulations are different. Now why the regulations are different, suppose if we manufacture XYZ medical devices, now XYZ medical devices have their regulation. They comes under the class 1, class 2, class 3, like different classes. But what happened? So even if they consider the different classes, so is class 1, class 2, according to the regulation part is completely different. So suppose if there is a class 1 devices which barely going to be used inside the body, superficially to the body, but if those are embedded with any kind of medicinal products, then it can deliver those medicinal products inside the body. Means it is a class 1 device, but class 1 device is embedded with some medicinal product, then medicinal product can deliver to that patient, which going to make some kind of physiological change inside the body. So then it become the risky. So then there is then we cannot say with the class 1 in the low risk. No, we cannot say that. So this is the reason why they comes under completely different sectors, and they have completely different regulation for such kind of medical devices. So for this video, so it's all about these ancillary medicinal products, and if you need more elaborations and more understanding on this, just DM me. We will think about some more good lectures, or maybe on that good presentations on this may possible. So you just DM me if you have interest in this ancillary products or this category of ancillary products, then definitely. Now let's give you some example of ancillary products before signing off. So ancillary products are like insulin is one of the examples, gentamicin, or any kind of antibiotic you can understand. So those are the medicinal products. So it's better to understand and rather than giving this name. So like any product which having some medical effects on the body, consider the medicinal products, and this medicinal products is combined with any kind of medical devices, like it's going to be delivered with that help of this medical devices, then is going to be considered as ancillary medicinal products or devices. So that's it for this video. We will meet with another topic, with another videos with another day. So till then, bye, take care.